Hello, you are on his portal, the platform by his enterprise where you can find everything related to the company events, news, updates, useful publications, and access to internal projects, all in one place. So, how do you use the portal? Let's go through it step by step. First, you need to log in using your corporate email. Right now, we are on the main page of the portal where you can quickly check out the latest news. In the header, you will find links to RISE, Handbook, Help Desk. We've created unified navigation on the portal, so we recommend pinning the tab to have all the information in one place. In the subheader, you will find the portal's main sections: news, knowledge base, and celebrations. The news and knowledge base sections have their own subsections, which we will now explore. In the announcements subsection, we post all the news that you often see on Skype from recruiters, HRs, and brand managers, welcoming new contractors, surveys, meetings, updates in Handbook or on RISE. To stay up to date, we recommend checking the section from time to time. It's the most active one and will frequently be updated with the latest information. You can even filter the news by category to see only what interests you. In the events subsection, you will find both internal and external company events, such as knowledge sharing sessions, hackathons, quizzes, and more. You can view both past and upcoming events. The filters allow you to select whether an event is online or offline and browse by topic tags. The tag availability depends on the selected event type, past or upcoming. In the video subsection, you will find all of the company's videos, including corporate videos, technical content, podcasts, and event recordings. We've gathered all video materials in one place, and you can filter them by categories and tags. Clicking on any video opens a page with a player and additional details. You can watch the video directly on the portal or go to the company's YouTube channel. Let's move on to the knowledge base section. The onboarding subsection is especially useful for our new colleagues. We have compiled all the necessary information in step-by-step format to ensure a smooth and comfortable adaptation to the company. Even if you've been with us for a while, we recommend checking this section. You might discover something new. The Inspired Text subsection contains valuable materials such as presentations, useful links from events, book and article recommendations, and resources from external events where the company has participated. With filters, you can quickly find what interests you most. In the project subsection, you will find information about all company projects your colleagues are working on, allowing you to learn more about the company's activities. Please remember that all project-related information is confidential, as is everything on the portal. We kindly ask you to use the available information strictly for work purposes. And the last section is celebrations. This section makes it easy to congratulate colleagues on their birthday or work anniversary, though, of course, you can send greetings for any occasion you find appropriate. Here is how it works. We pull data from Huma, so you have quick access to relevant details. Click Create, select a greeting card, or upload your own. Click Next. Next, we select a recipient from the list or manually enter their corporate email. Choose whether to display your name or send the card anonymously. Add your greeting and send it. Now that we've gone through all the sections, don't forget to check the footer, where you will find the company's social media links and additional menu. Everything in one place. It is also important to say a few words about notifications. For now, we will send reminders about announcements and events via Skype, but if we see that you're actively using the portal, this won't be necessary anymore. We encourage you to enable notifications by clicking the bell icon. You won't receive all updates, only the most important ones, so you won't miss anything significant. Additionally, every Friday, we can send you a summary of the latest news via email. We hope you for your understanding and active participation. We've put a lot of effort into making this portal the main source of information in the company, so we'd love to hear your feedback and see your engagement. Every section allows you to comment and communicate with colleagues, making collaboration more convenient and effective. Use the provided functionality. If you encounter a technical issue, please contact Yulia Tkachuk. If you notice information inaccuracies or something is unclear, please reach out to Marina Melnik. Thank you for your attention. See you on the portal.